What go on, Miss Brissette?
Just the man that more office.
In a while, fella, so you lock me up.
Yes, stand well. Big up yourself for that. We need to talk to the 12.
Alright, forward now.
Boy, I want to tell the man them, so boy, I'm proud of you. And congrats for everything we are up on the block. Now we're coming to pass through a whole heap of time, but my ear will go on.
Which is right. You know what I mean? You know, we deal with it around, I say it's always about community development. You know, done that style already. Right, Miss, our agent, Reset.
Dada, what with that stuff with the agent, Bubbles. Good with that.
Remember, we didn't know so Bubbles all along, you know, right quick? Until they lock we down. Then we say, Miss Reset.
Cool, man. What about the foolishness?
So, Miss B, where do you come learn some dance moves today?
You can't do that long time. But, when I come show my face and come show the youth them say, I'm proud of you, want to do on the block again. But, you me really want to talk to.
Yeah. So that sounds so serious. How I go on now?
Kareem, I need to talk to you about.
And where am I going with now?
Why Dada? Based on what I go on now, I quick me really have to talk to you. Me fill you in. Look at the closest person to me.
Alright. I'm going to Kango. They are on the block, you know. Wait for them people.
Sorry for bringing so far in a mistake, but you don't know how to do the front page now.
Move over, man. I understand.
So where's it going now?
I don't know if you did hear, but I youth where I run some extortion thing on your cousin, Antonia.
Yeah, me hear the argument there now, but I think let me deal with that, you see me?
Well, it get deal with. Your cousin deal with it.
So, what do you mean deal with it? Deal with it how?
Apparently the youth approached him one night. And I tell him, say boy, you know, well now, shape up in folly grounds and deal with him away and thing. And apparently Kareem take it to heart and fix it. Stab it up.
Cha-cha. So I'm to you.
Him dead enough.
So, Miss Brissette, how we can deal with this? The police them know about it. Never need to say that because from you and say the police them must know about it. But what we can do about it and what we can do for help.
Well, good thing is the official police them now really know about it. However, which by the actual preparation of the incident happened, it depends on surveillance camera. And me no want that getting at the wrong hand.
So that means that the camera not really show he must cover up the youth then.
No. But if them see him put on a mask, flash out him ratchet, and I head towards the alley where the incident happened, he might go in a problem and they might go after.
So Miss B, tell me the honest truth. Oh, we can fix it. And the next thing I never hear from him. Where him they know?
Well, I tell Tony and say, you know, I want to have a reason with him. I'm going to go there and it's like, he not give me a talk. Because him say nobody no see him stab up the youth and things. So after that reasoning them just cut. I don't know which part him turn. That's where you come in. If you hear from him, if you see him, tell him I help, but want help him. Because it would have sad to see two radar car come pick him up.
I'm going to do my best, you know. I'm going to try to link him and see. I can't talk to him, but he's a youth and I like police, and that's why I'm going to go outside. But I can talk some sense in my head.
But quick, you don't know me. I don't approach this from being a police. I approach it from a friend perspective. Based on what I see with Kareem, he's a good youth. And him and Tony and I do a good thing. In running the shop together. They look good together.
True.
So I don't want harm come to him. Because if any come to him, it will come to she. And that's going to be a problem with me.
All of us will say, man. But I'm going to try to get to him. Or if not, I know him going to link. I'm feeling.